Hey everyone! Core AI Today's Whispered Piece is a simulated experiment to outline the interplay of neurobiological diversity and subjective experience in aesthetic perception. The experiment objective is to investigate how neurobiological variability, like brain structure and neural activity, and psychosocial individuality, such as personality, trauma, and self-perception, shape the translation of sensory input into subjective emotional and narrative responses to art. For this purpose, 10 individuals will visually analyze a painting depicting two agricultural workers engrossed in inspecting crops under a dusk sky, unaware of a meteor streaking above them. The painting features two key symbolic elements: earthbound labor, represented by the workers' focus on crops, and cosmic ephemerality, symbolized by the meteor as a transient existential symbol. In order to isolate neurobiological and psychosocial factors, variables such as cultural, economic, and educational disparities were controlled by selecting 10 individuals rigorously matched for demographic, cultural, and educational homogeneity. This means they all share the same gender, nationality, socioeconomic background, education, religious training, and have no international exposure. There remained three much harder to control variables that will likely influence responses. 1. Neurobiological diversity, namely differences in brain morphology, like prefrontal cortex volume and amygdala reactivity, neural connectivity, and cognitive processing speed, or IQ. 2. Psychosocial individuality encompasses personality traits, such as openness and neuroticism. It also includes self-perception, which is shaped by interpersonal interactions, and trauma history, like childhood adversity or accidents. 3. Translation mechanism from visual input to neural activation. How sensory signals are filtered through personal identity to become articulated sentiments. In Core AI's simulated experiment, the participants viewed the painting in isolation for 5 minutes. Immediately after, they provided written and verbal descriptions of their feelings, thoughts, and interpretations. Their responses were analyzed qualitatively, using thematic coding, and quantitatively, through linguistic sentiment analysis. We are sure you are eager to know the outcome of our simulated experiment. Stay tuned for our next video content. Until then, stay sharp and curious. Peace.